Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to install Waka TV on your smart TV in 2025 step by step. Whether you are using an Android TV or a TV box, I will make it super easy. Let's get started. First step is check compatibility. First thing first, make sure your smart TV is Android based. Waka TV works based on Android smart TV like Sony, TCL, Skyworth, Samsung. Android TV box or sticks. Google Chromecast with Android TV. If you have a Samsung or LG TV which use Tizen or WebOS, you will need to use an Android TV box or cast from your phone. Install downloader apps. Next, go to the Google Play Store. Here you can see the Google Play Store and the downloader smart TV. Search for an app called downloader by AFT News and install it. This app lets you download apps that aren't on the Play Store. After the installation process, open settings, security and unknown secures, turn on access for downloader. Now open the downloader app in the URL bar. Here you can see the Android TV for Android TVs. Here you can see and server. Now you can download for mobile version Android TV, TV stick, TV box. Now you have Android TV, that's you can download the Android TV version and to select in the downloader apps URL bar, type this code or link, then press go and the Waka TV APK file will start downloading. Once it's done, select install. It will take a few seconds to install. After the app installs, press open. You will now see the Waka TV interface. Go ahead and log in if you have an account or sign up directly through the app. Now you can watch live channel, sports, movie and more right on your TV. Hope you are enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.